What's up and welcome to another DIY video. In this one I'll be showing you guys how we're going to be making a cable like this with connectors like this on each ends. That is just because we're going to power this power supply. The thing is, I just made a small double-sided infinity mirror because that's what I do. My name is Joshua, this is Studjo Infinity, and I did not have a cable or I did not have a fitting power supply in the shop. So I just thought, well, while I make the video about the little infinity mirror, if you're interested, go watch it as well, please. I actually decided to make a video on how we're going to be making a cable like this. So yeah, I'll show you the whole process. Let's take it step by step. Here we go. So here you're going to see everything that we're going to be using in this video. So of course we have our trusty power supply, we have some cable, and of course on one end we need a plug. It's a recycled one. And then on the other end we're going to be using these little connectors. These are absolutely amazing to connect a lot of things. But for that you need these types of pliers. I can strongly recommend getting something like this. Of course we need to cut some cable, little screwdriver for everything, you know, the little cable stripper. This one I also can absolutely recommend getting a tool like this to strip any type of cable. And then of course we have some soldering equipment. So yeah, that's about it. Let's get started. So for the first part, I use cutters like these just to cut off a part of the insulation. Now it's important, you don't need to cut all the way through or you might cut into the insulation of the inner wires. So just make a very slight cut going all the way around, and then by rotating it you can peel it off very easy. So a big trick here, I always twist and solder the tips of these wires before I put them into those little contacts. It just makes it all a bit stronger. A lot of people would just pull them in there, but in my opinion I'm very used to this, and this really is the best way to my opinion. Okay, so now it's time for these. These are honestly by far my most favorite ones to use for power supplies because, let me show you, these fit perfectly in these little sockets here. That's absolutely super easy to use them. So yeah, let me show you how that works. As you can see, these are color coded, and the good type of pliers, these are also color coded. So you can see that here these go into a specific way. You have like a little notch here, a little bump. That's where the more narrow part goes, so these go in like this. And then you just hold them down, make sure it's nice and straight. Then it's just basically pulling down. And now this is something that I do as a little extra. I always add some soldering material here on these tips, so that just to make sure that this makes 100% perfect contact with each other. Time to tackle the other side of the cable. We have our little light on here. We have power to the power supply. So yeah, good job again. And yeah, thanks for watching the whole video. I'm very happy you did. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, a comment. It all helps the algorithm. It all helps me to achieve to do this full time. I still have a full-time job at the moment of recording this video. Every help is appreciated. And I'll see you guys on the next Infinity project. Ciao!